Now, one thing I wanted to talk about is all of the talk about supply chain and deliveries and spare parts. And I work on a lot of stuff, and this through the wall unit failed in one of my workshops. So I got several buildings, and I've had a lot of these units over the years. And yesterday they delivered my replacement unit. So I'm going to pull this one out and replace it. Now, the interesting thing is I talked to the driver. I was stop number 15. He left at 7 o'clock in the morning. I pulled the unit off of his truck at 8:30 last night and put it on my truck. Now, in talking to him, there was an interesting take on the supply chain issues. And this was a phenomenon I saw quite a bit when I was a truck driver. He had a tremendous amount of freight that a factory would not take because he didn't get there by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So these corporate types in these corporations compound their supply problems with all their BS rules. So this guy had an entire truckload of chemicals, materials, and other freight for a manufacturer that they would not take because he got there a few minutes after 1 o'clock. So these corporate types are compounding their problems in the supply chain. Comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.